Hello everyone, welcome back to Charisma. Let's weave one more dream catcher today. Here I have a ring and a multicolor yarn. As usual, I'll be wrapping this ring using the yarn. With the help of some school glue, I'm attaching one end of the yarn to the ring. It takes time and patience to wrap this ring because the yarn is so thin. If this is too much of work for you, you can always use laces or other thick yarn or fabric to wrap the ring. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show how to use other materials to wrap the ring. Moving to fast forward, my ring is now ready for weaving. For weaving, take a blunt needle and we will use the same yarn for the web. Take one end of the yarn and tie it to the ring. Apply some clear nail paint to secure the knot. Pull the yarn and hold it with your left hand and pass the needle around the ring from bottom to up. Give the thread few pull back and forth. We will repeat this process all over the ring. So here one round of weaving around the ring is over. Now we will make knots exactly the same way we made the knots on the ring. The first knot will be near the first knot on the ring and the second knot will be on the other side of the loop next to it. We will repeat the process. First knot will be at one end and the second knot will be on the other end. Keep repeating this for few rounds around the ring. Here, after few rounds, I'm falling short of the yarn, so I'm just attaching some more yarn to it. Just keep them together and make a knot. Don't forget to secure it with your clear nail paint. And continue weaving. At this point, I will weave a little differently. I'll make knots right at the centers. Now I'm dropping a bead in the second layer of the weaving. When you are near to the center, just keep passing the needle through each of the loop. You don't need to make knots really. You can simply get on passing the needle one by one. This will give you a sleek and smooth round inside or near the circle. At the end, make multiple knots using your needle and secure it nicely. As you could see, I am left with very thin amount of yarn in my needle. That's why I'm struggling a bit, but when you have a long thread with you, you'll do it easily. Don't forget to secure your knot using a clear nail paint. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please drop me a comment and your thoughts in the comment section. Please share it with your friends and family. And if you are new here, I would love to see you subscribed. See you next time. Bye bye.